Wax on, wax off.
Welcome to Singapore! So after my hellish week with solar panels, I've decided to take a break and come to Singapore and just, hang out. Sophie's back home trying to wax the boat. Good times.
Hey guys, today is Sunday the 15th of April. Yesterday Ryan left to Singapore where he's gonna spend a week for work, and during this week I am apparently responsible for waxing the entire hull. To be perfectly honest with you, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm a little nervous about doing it, but I will figure it out, and hopefully in 1 week time the hull of the boat will be completely bright and shiny. Whew, this is really high, guys. I'm a little scared. Okay. This project isn't starting off well at all. The ladder is way high and the boat isn't straight, it's curvy, so the ladder isn't stable. So it's way more challenging to do on your own than I thought it would be. It feels a little lonely right now. I don't know how long I will have the energy to be here, but nah, it's not fun. Good news is that today I could wash the boat and do what I was actually intending to do. The really bad news is that I cannot take care of that myself. It's way too high on the ground. Being alone, it's just not safe. I really don't think that I can complete rubbing and waxing the boat until Ryan comes back. So it's a bit sad, but better safe than sorry. I am not giving up on waxing the hull. This time I have a proper tool, I have a proper ladder. You can see here. Alright, let's get to work. Okay, so before we start with the rubbing, if I rub at all, I want to try this technique that a friend of mine told me about, which is to use a bit of white spirit and water. We'll see. I haven't done it, I haven't tried, so let's just try it. It's actually a nice day today. This is gonna be, we've said it before, it's probably not gonna be very fun. It's not working, I'm really disappointed. The way that my friend described it, it was just miraculous. It sounded too good to be true, and it is too good to be true, so now I am going to rub the hull. I was really hoping. Okay, rubbing compound. That's what we want to read about. Okay, buffing. When unprotected, gel coat becomes dull and porous, perhaps even chalky. Waxing will no longer restore the gloss. The damaged surface must be removed by buffing the gel coat with rubbing compound. That's what we want to do. Okay, wash. Scrub the surface thoroughly with a solution of 1 cup of detergent, blah 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 blah. I've done that. 2 degrees. De-wax. The only question that I have, should I rub everywhere? Should I rub like the entire hull, or should I just rub where we have the black stripes?
That's up to you. You'll kind of, I think you'll be able to tell as you go, you know, if it opens it or not.
Okay.
I don't care, really.
All right, so I think I'm not gonna do this white spirit thing. I think I'm just gonna go with the rubbing. I was just afraid that, you know, it was gonna damage the gel coat.
Just you know, use the rubbing compound, and it's not a big deal. The wax is just gonna go on to kind of protect the gel coat, you know.
Yeah.
So, okay.
All right.
You'll do fine.
Okay. I'll get rubbing.
Okay. Thanks. See ya.
Bye. Love. Bye. So it is 1:30. I've been here since 10, and the only thing that I've accomplished is to figure out what is it that I'm going to do this afternoon. Also, I get some help. This is Marika. She's a firefighter, so if something bad happens, she can take care of me. It's really scary. It's like the machine takes you like everywhere. And... Oh my god. What do you think of boat work so far? When you see sailing, it's like a very, very tiny tip of an iceberg. Just underneath the surface, it's just all the shitty days on sea. And then at the base of the stupid thing, it's this. Everyone's like, oh, sailing is nice. So I have stopped counting how many days I've been working at this wax project, but I found a new technique to move forward. I make my friends work. She's doing a really good job. So do you remember this white spirit trick that my friend told me about and that didn't really work? It's not working. Well, that friend was Frida.
Hiya!
And what she's doing is totally working.
I got white spirit on the cloth together with some compound, and it's not even Karate Kid style. I'm gonna put my makeup on using this as my mirror.
The big lesson of the day, or the big lesson of the week really, is that it took me the entire week to figure out how I was going to do this waxing project. And eventually it all came down to having some good friends around us. We actually a Twitter account. So if you guys want to get in touch with me or Ryan, hit us up. Find us on Twitter at Ryan_and_Sophie. We just love to meet new people. So get on Twitter and connect with us. All right, that's it for me. Bye bye. Good job, guys. Oh no, that's teamwork.